How to view and delete call history in Google Voice. First of all, open the Google Voice app and sign in with your Google account. Once signed in, tap the Calls tab in the menu to see your call history. Here you will find a list of all your incoming, outgoing, and missed calls, along with details like call duration and timestamps. To delete a single call, tap the More Options icon next to that entry and select Delete. Confirm your choice to remove it from your history. If you want to clear your entire call history, tap the three horizontal lines in the top left corner and go to Settings. Inside the Settings menu, scroll down to the Calls section. Here you will find the option Remove Call History. Tap on it and then select Remove to permanently delete all your call records. Now you know how to view and delete call history in Google Voice. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.